Wanna know how to manage or create tags in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, make sure you are on your WordPress dashboard under your site. So if you don't know, we have also created a video on how to access it, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you're there, make sure you are under post right here on the left side. So once you have hovered on our post, you can see various options. Now, since you want to update our tags, just simply select tags right here. Right here, in order to create our tag, here you can see add tag. Just simply add your tag, any name, and then description of it, and then select add tag right here. Super simple and easy. Now, to edit it is super simple as well. You can just simply hover on the current existing tag and then select quick edit to quick edit your tag name, and then edit to edit its description as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can do this with every single tag you add. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.